Hello and welcome to Spy Money. Today we're going to talk about how to use the charts and watch list and how you can utilize the watch list to change different parts of the different charts and so forth. So the first thing we're going to do is create a watch list. So if you come down here to the bottom left, you'll see a plus sign. So you click on that and then you go back and click on watch list. Now when you do that, it's going to automatically open up one that you already have. So now we're going to come down and we're going to create a new one. So you go to create watch list, and then let's call this one test yellow. And the reason I'm calling it that is you'll know here in a minute. So if you come down here, see right there, then you can type in different underlines that you can put in. And let's say you put in ES, and then let's say you put in Tesla. Everybody loves Tesla. And let's see, what's another one we could put in there that everybody likes? Maybe Roku. Everybody loves Roku. And we'll do AMD. Okay, so once you add those, then you click Save. So now you've got all of these underlines in here. And then we're going to go right up here, and there's a hyperlink. And if you click on that, you want to link it to a certain color. So we're going to call this one yellow 2. That's why we called it test yellow. Now we're going to come down here and create another one. So we're going to do watch list, and then we're going to create a new one. So we come down, create watch list, and we're going to call this one test red. And then we're going to come down here and call this one, let's see, what other stocks there's? Walmart. We like Walmart. Walmart's a good stock to trade. And then we're going to call this one, we'll call it hog. That's a decent one to trade. And let's go to Visa. And then let's think of another one here. Another good one, Facebook. Everybody likes the Facebook. So we're going to go ahead and save that one. So now we've got a test red and we've got a test yellow. Now this test red, we're going to call this one a red on the link. So if we come over here, we're going to see this chart and this chart. And the way you do those is you just hit this and then you just make ever how many charts you want in the layout. So we just want 2 wide. So this one, we're going to have a link of yellow. Okay, so it's already set up. And this one, we're going to have a link of red. Okay, so if we're over here and say we're trading, say you want to call these like futures, and one of them you want to have Forex or whichever, however how you want to trade it. So you could click on, say, Tesla, and Tesla will pop up inside this yellow box. Okay. Now this one, if you want to trade Walmart, it will open up in the red box. So you can control your watch list for how you want to do your charting. So if you're trading 2 different ones, and you don't want to have like 2 different time frames, but you actually want 2 different charts. So if you brought your active trader over and you could be trading both of these, based off of where it is. So let's say that you don't want Walmart, you want like a hog now. So you click on hog, it'll go there, and then say now you want Roku, so you got Roku there. And let's say you're in both of these trades right now. So you've got options or shares on Roku, and you're wanting to watch it, and you've got it on hog, so you're wanting to watch this one. So you could be watching both of these at the same time. And by watching both at the same time, that would allow you to not have to flip back and forth. So if you only had, say, one chart window open, and you had, say you had Roku there and you had Walmart here or hog, and you had to keep on clicking back and forth to change this chart to watch them, well, now you don't. You can actually see 2 different charts. You can have 2 different links going to the watch list that you have over here, and that way you're actually clicking. Say you have like maybe you have large caps here and you have mid caps here, and you're just wanting to kind of keep those separate from each other. So like with me, I've got one I call futures, and let's say I do my futures in red, which is usually where it is, and let's say I have my future or my Forex at yellow. So this will be a perfect example. So I've got my futures that I'm trading, and so I click on, say, ES is over here now. And then if I come down here and let's say I do, where is If you click these top parts, the blocks up here, then it will organize it for you. So if I click on that, it starts with a Y. Click on it again, it starts with that. And then click it one more time, and there you go. It'll start from like your symbols and stuff. You can also click on last, so if you're looking at the cheapest one, and there's the most expensive. So I usually keep mine right here to where it's in alphabetical order. And then we want to do USD CAD. That's what I trade a lot in Forex. So let's say that I'm watching my Forex trade and I'm watching my future trade. So you can have your futures and your Forex on the same one, and you can be trading them that way. And that helps you keep things a little more organized. It allows you to be able to trade 2 different stocks at one time. You could actually make this 3, and then you could create, say you created a blue right there. And then if you had a blue one, then you could come over here and make another one and with a blue. So by doing it this way, you can actually organize a little better. So hopefully that'll help you keep your trading a little more straight, and you don't want to do too many out through there. I've got set up for 12 stocks, just to kind of follow different ones that maybe are on the hot list or something. But whenever I come back to trading, then I want to do the charts. And the charts, you start off right here. I didn't mention that. You have a flexible grid too that you can do, but I use the charts just to watch and trade what I'm actually doing at this moment. And then I'll use my flexible grid to show different stocks that I'm trading. Maybe I can switch back and forth. So I'll have 4 over there that I'm watching. Then I've got 2 here that I'm actually watching to, I'm scalping or whichever. So I hope that helps you. It gives you a little more organization within your TOS, and shows you how to use the chart windows and the hyperlinks. And we'll do some more lessons on some others. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks.